Welcome to the third tutorial video on GL account entries in Advanced Tracker. This video is assuming you've seen the previous two videos. If you haven't seen them, you can click up here to view those. And in this video, we're going to go through how the general ledger accounts will look when you do the payroll, what you will see if the account is missing, and how to fix that if you come across that situation. Okay, so first we'll want to go to our Edit TNA here, and we're just going to put in an entry. Okay, so I'm going to add in an entry here. Let's just quickly flash back to our GL entry screen to review the requirements to throw a GL code. We can see here that the GL is based on department, position, and job being on the time card. So that means if we go back to the time card, I need a department, which I have there, a position, check, and a job, which right now is empty. So to enter the job, I'll just double click here, select the job, which was in my GL table. Now I have all three requirements and the hours are regular. Next we'll go to do the payroll export. So I'm in my payroll export now, and we can see under the regular hours that it's linking the general ledger account number here. But we can see below that we have a premium code under earning type 13 that is blank. And I'm expecting to actually have a general ledger account number here, which means I need to go back to my interface and check what's missing. So we'll switch back over there. Again, to get to that, we go Setup, Payroll Export, and we'll take our general ledger entry here and copy. And we're going to put in earning code 13, which is the code for my premium. And then as well, I need to remove the job here because my premiums do not get allocated to the job. So the premium code will not have this on it, which means we only want these two things to trigger it. Then I'll hit Update to save. Then we'll go back to our payroll export run, clear out the old file, and now we can see under the premium record, it is now feeding the same general ledger account number. Now I have another premium here under earning 29, which is coded to department 100. No job allocation. So if I wanted the general ledger to feed into that, I would do the same thing. Back to our payroll export here. I'm going to copy my 13 entry. Then I'm going to say earning 29, which is my other premium record. And again, that did not have a job allocation, so we want to leave that blank. Then we're going to update, and we'll clear that, create a new payroll file, and voila. Now every entry has a general ledger account number feeding to the payroll.